So we're using today red cabbage extract to test for pH as a pH indicator. First of all, make sure that you follow the safety instructions that we discussed at the beginning of the term regarding the use of strong acids and bases. First thing, you should have everything organized. Make sure you put your pH or buffers from a low pH to a high pH in an orderly fashion. Same thing, put your test tubes and label them in an orderly fashion. From low pH to high pH. You should always include the neutral pH or pH 7 in your assay. Make sure to put in each of the test tubes the same amount of your buffer for all of them, one test tube per buffer, and make sure that they're equivalent. Just can eyeball it or add 1 squareful of your pH to each one of them. Next step, you use your pH indicator, in this case the red cabbage extract, and make sure that you evenly distribute it, taking care that you're going to add the same amount, basically 1 squareful to each of the tubes. As you see, a color reaction will happen and you are going to see the color development in each of the different pH, and these will generate a pH scale. Now the colors, you're going to see that in this particular indicator, the lower scales of pH 2, the acidic ones are going to be around the fuchsia reds, but as we go into the high pHs, they're going to turn towards the bluish range or greenish range as we go. It might be easier for you to compare the color development if you were to put a white piece of paper underneath to be able to actually check for the color development. The last thing for you is to put a parafilm on top of each of the tubes. This is to prevent further oxidation, since by the oxygen, atmospheric oxygen, since these will actually change the color of your reaction. You can mix to make sure that the different reagents are completely mixed evenly, and then compare your color reaction. Thank you.